How are you?
Hello. Yeah, I'm alright. Thank you. What's up?
Not much. What are you up to?
What I up to? It's good though. But when we had last conversation, yeah, we can have a PK as you are my oldest friend here in this platform, and I was counting down the time when I'm gonna connect it with my friend Han from Australia, and now I'm very happy.
I was hoping you was on here this afternoon because I thought, yes, it's the time for PK today.
Yeah, and look,
Okay.
basically, I don't hold my phone in the afternoon here in my country because I try to be abstain from every single of my device. It's the rest of my body.
That's a good thing because sometimes we can be so consumed with our devices, we forget what the real world
100%. But how?
is there.
Yeah, 100%. What are you up to? How is going your day?
Pardon?
What are you up to? How is going your day?
I got my nails done. Pink.
Yeah, I see. Beautiful.
I wear a pink shirt for my work, so I don't normally go this pink, but I thought, you know what, Hannah, just go a little bit bright.
Every single color just a very good looking with your body because you are so super beautiful.
Every color.
You know what? Nobody knows how
Not every color.
Nobody knows how I am and what color would be messy with me. But yeah, perception by myself, it's okay. But I guess every single color would be beautiful with your body.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Oh, my pleasure.
I like black clothing, but black on fingernails doesn't look good on me.
Black one is my favorite color, but red, pink is not too bad.
Red suits you, yeah, it does.
So, Han,
Yeah.
do you remember when we had last conversation?
Oh, I don't remember the exact timing, but
Approximate,
refresh my memory.
but approximately, if you can guess, it is.
Maybe 6 months?
I think more than 6 months. It's been quite ages. It's been quite ages. Then we had a last conversation.
Really?
Yeah, more than 6 months. I think almost a year. Almost, I think, very close to a year.
12 months.
That's how
Time goes so quick. Time goes too quick.
Yeah, but one thing I remember when we had last conversation, I dropped the PK before finishing up the conversation. You wanted to continue, but I didn't understand. But I dropped out. I was so sorry with that moment, and after that, I couldn't just get you on my platform. And this is the time. Who knows? I will get you once again.
English is so good.
Yeah, it's been already 1 year and 2 months, most possibly. I have been using this app, and most of the conversation just I do with native English speaker.
It helps a lot.
100% conversation just works 80% out of other stuff of learning English.
And do you watch like the English shows and stuff?
Look, when basically your native English speaker speak with me, I try to think deeply what kinds of word you are delivering and how do you pronunciate them as well, and how do you rearrange the sentence, and everything I try to imitate.